Yo, what's up guys? Elliot here. Today is Friday, January 9th. I made roughly $2.6 thousand today and I requested a $4,500 payout right before the weekend. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you should have seen my Instagram story. Real quick, here is the payout screenshot that I got from Alpha. It's pretty nice because the last one I got that was 15,000, they sent it on this like little plaque too. And I like how I kind of get like an actual screenshot of it, not just like an email saying like, congrats on your payout. Like this makes it feel a little bit more rewarding. I mean, obviously the money is what makes it rewarding, but it's kind of nice that it get like a little trophy. It would be cool if they could make like a physical one, you know, but either way, let's dive right into the trade. So going into market open, right? Pre-market, we're trading higher. We're above London highs and Asia highs, and we come back lower, tap into this opening gap, push higher, right? We sweep out Asia highs, London highs, and then we start our move lower, right? On this move lower from this sweep, we ended up pushing down to 172 points. Pretty big move, but as soon as we hit London lows, we instantly went back up. So what I was going to be looking for at that point is I didn't think we were going to stay bearish on the day because we're so close to all-time highs, especially on ES. So what I was looking for was possibly another pullback down to these lows over here, maybe previous day lows, and then, you know, take my trade. We didn't end up getting previous day lows, but we had a liquidity sweep of London lows and Asia lows. While I was looking for that, I went to the 15-minute. And if we check right here, we have a 15-minute fair value gap. I'll stretch that out a little bit more just so the way you guys can see it. And the reason why it is these candles right here and not just one is because if you guys could see this candle closure with this body open, there's a gap right there. There's no wicks overlapping. So that represents a gap in price. So that would add on to that fair value gap. If you don't understand what I'm saying, just go watch ICT's video on fair value gaps. He breaks it down really easily. So after I saw that we swept Asia lows and London lows, I saw this 15-minute fair value gap. We were also delivering bullish off of that 15-minute fair value gap. So then I went down to the 1-minute time frame, which is where I took my trade, right? And this liquidity sweep up here, I placed that as my buy side liquidity. And then right here, we had a 1-minute fair value gap, right? We inversed that. I took my entry right there with a 26.25 stop. Normally I do a 25-point stop. I guess I just didn't have it placed correctly. It's completely fine. And then I put my break even at one of these intermediate highs just because, you know, it was around 50% of the way of my trade. I didn't want to have break even at this trade because if we, you know, like we could easily reject before it. But that's just me personally. But yeah, I went break even here. So we see price traded up. Right? We hit the break even. We went risk free right here. And right after we went risk free, it just honestly went straight to my take profit. So yeah, that's the trade that I took today. It was pretty simple. I believe all in, we got in at 8:13 in the morning and then we got out of our trade at 8:27. So it was about 15 minutes, give or take, you know, a couple seconds. But yeah, that was the trade on the day. We made 2,600. Started the weekend off perfectly with a $4,500 payout. And yeah, man, so fuck it. That's the trade recap.